So we're just out here camping. 2 dogs, middle of nowhere. This trip was funny because I knew it was going to be pretty rough weather between rain, snow, temperatures. Went to about 4 different roads, wasn't able to get in. MDX probably would have made it, but I'm out here alone, so why try? I did stumble on this site, which is usable. There's a creek down here. It's pretty quiet. So no idea how this weekend's gonna go. Supposed to get a lot of snow tonight. It's possible that get snowed in and can't get out. So we'll see how many days we're here for. We've got a ton of diesel, got a ton of gourmet food, and lots of gasoline. So ideally, should be able to manage until we can get out of here, because at worst case, it's supposed to dry out on Monday. Today's Friday, so we'll see how this weekend goes. It is cold and wet. Holy cow. Nice little spot though. So we are going to start processing the wood from the tree that we cut down, the dead tree that we cut down. So everybody loves a chopping montage, right? So I guess we should get to work and see what kind of fire we can build tonight, because I'm freezing right now. We're gonna see if we can start a fire. I'm gonna try to do it by hand without anything. I do have this Bigfoot Bushcraft fire starter that I'll probably end up using because it's sopping wet. But let's try some flint and steel or a ferro rod and just see what happens. Puppies always eat first. I ended up making some shrimp tacos. We marinated in some spices and some olive oil,
Made some slaw to go with it, finished it off with some ripe avocado and some chipotle salsa on top. They were amazing, and it was so good to have something warm on such a cold night. What an interesting night. Obviously, it got extremely cold eventually, but there was freezing rain for quite a long time, and I thought there might be some branches coming down, but things did freeze up. It snowed. We ended up going for a nice walk in the morning to this beautiful creek right outside of camp. After such a frigid night, starting the day with a warm fire was amazing. Adding in a hearty breakfast just made things that much more enjoyable as the snow started to fall more and more. It really became a winter wonderland, and the dogs, even though it may look like she's a little confused in this, loved it. Well, we out here. So there's roughly 8 to 10 inches of new snow on the ground. You can see it's still snowing out right now. Fire's still going. Diesel heaters kept it warm enough. I did take a shower with the Booz RV hot water heater. Minnow, drop it. And it was good. It heated water from about 35 up to about 90. So it was definitely warm enough to take a shower. It's been nice. It's been pretty nice to just chill. And with that, our snow camping adventure came to an end. We headed out on the forest roads back towards civilization, realizing just how much we needed this weekend. We needed the downtime. We needed away from the city, away from our responsibilities, at least the ones from our day-to-day. We had other ones that we enjoyed so much more, like building fires, making food, and sharing laughs with each other.